So, good day. I'm Hyacinth Lynn Gaday from Block 3B, and ang gawin natin is ipapakita ko yung aking redesign prototype na ginawa. So, here is both of the design prototype. And ito yung gawa ng ating partner, which is supposed to be a inventory management system, and ito naman yung ating improved version. So let's by seeing the yung gawa niya. Let's start sa gawa niya. So here is yung sidebar niya. Then the dashboard, and may mga cards siya. Here, papalitan natin. Ayusin natin to. Ditong part. So, ito yung gawa niya. Let's proceed naman sa redesign natin, which is ito. So, ito po yung redesign natin. Let's start sa dashboard. Ay, sa sidebar. Sa sidebar natin is naglagay lang tayo ng icons. Para mas easing makita yung mga nav. Then, an icon din sa system name. Then, sa dashboard cards is nag-color coded tayo. Nag-add din tayo ng filter na drop menu. So, green sa total ng products, red for low stock items, blue for total sales, and yellow for inventory. So, gumamit tayo ng color with a purpose. Not just for decorations, but to communicate status and yung priorities. So, inside of the product inventory is nag-add tayo ng search bar, add product button, and as well as yung filter. Then, ginamitan natin ng so, dito pala muna sa original. Sa original product table is walang buttons and hindi masyadong napapansin yung status, which is ito. Wala siyang add button or any search bar. So nag-add dito sa redesign natin, in-add natin yung search and filter. So, para madaling hanap yung product. And ito naman sa table is yung hover effects na hina-highlight yung row when yung every row kapag natapat yung mouse sa kanila. See? Then sa status is nilagyan natin siya ng color green for in stock, yellow for low stock, and red for out of stock. Then if click natin yung add product, may magpapakitang add new product model na pwede kang dito pwede mong i-enter yung product name, select a category, and inside yung category is meron tayong 3 categories: electronics, accessories, and software. And pwede mong mapindot. Then, kapag kinancel mo is, babalik lang siya sa product table, product page. Then, same dito. Then, kapag nag-click mo yung add product button, is may magpapakitang message na product added successfully. Sa stock entry naman is, nag-add tayo ng filter and search bar, as well as yung hover effects natin, as well yung status badge colors. Sa entry form natin is, nag-add lang tayo ng name ng label sa input niya. Here sa enter a product, enter supplier name, enter cost per unit, etc. Then, yung add stock entry. And if kinlik natin to is, may lalabas na message na stock added successfully. So, inayos natin siya. Kasi kanina ito lang ang nag-i-scroll. Ginawa na natin silang dalawa. Then, sa sales, is nag-add tayo ng search bar and new sale button. Here, ito pala yung inayos natin. In-arrange lang natin yung size ng card dito. Then, may hover effects din. So, kapag kinlik natin yung new sale button, so, may magpapakita yung add new sale model. Inside, ang nakapulog dito is yung customers, date, items, and the totals. If kinlik natin yung cancel is, babalik lang siya sa sales table. Then, kapag yung complete sale is, magpapakita yung message na sale added successfully. Then, sa reports is, nag-add lang tayo ng hover effect. So, okay. So, this makes the app or the prototype much more faster and easier to use. And that's all. Thank you for listening.